How to fix some websites not opening or loading in any browser issue. So if you want to fix some websites are not opening or loading in any browser issue, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings application. Once you open up your settings, you need to go with the left side, which has network and internet section. Under network and internet, you will have proxy. Just open up your proxy. Here, if you've automatically turned on your proxy setup, then make sure that it is turned off. Go and turn it off. Once you turn that off, now you just need to simply go back or minimize that, and you need to go with search under Windows, and you need to search for ncpa.cpl and hit the enter, and it will open this kind of interface. Here you need to simply choose the network that you're using right now. So I'll be choosing Wi-Fi. You need to right click on it and then go with properties. Under properties, you'll get this kind of interface where you just need to simply go with Internet Protocol version 4. Double click on it and you'll get this kind of interface. Here you need to go with use the following DNS server address, and you need to enter 8.8.8.8, and on the bottom, which is alternative DNS server, 8.8.4.4, and then go with OK. And after that, go with OK. And now you need to remove this. And the next thing you need to do is you just need to simply search for CMD and run as administrator as your command prompt and go with yes. And here you will have this kind of interface. So what you need to do is you just need to simply enter a command, which is ipconfig space /flush DNS, and then hit the enter. You'll get this kind of interface, which will successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. And after that, you just need to simply go and restart your device. And after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix some websites not opening or loading in your browser. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.